Hi guys. So today we're going to do a scientific method doodle sheet to kind of give you a nice flow chart of the scientific method in your notebook. So please either print or use the paper copy that I gave you. You're going to cut around the dotted lines so that it's small enough to fit in your composition book. And then we're going to go through the scientific method. So remember, we always start the scientific method with thinking about something, asking a question. So that leads us to observing. So please write observe in the first box. Next, you need to ask a well-defined, and what do we always put there? Question. That question is going to lead us to number 3, to write a testable hypothesis. Number 4, you will make a detailed plan. So these are the details of the test. And then you are going to actually test or experiment to evaluate your hypothesis. Finally, you're going to record, evaluate, interpret, and analyze data to gather your evidence from your experiment. At the end, you critique your experiment and create a logical conclusion. If there is no logical explanation, please go back and rewrite your hypothesis. Some other things we need to think about with the scientific method include critical thinking. We need to observe all parts before drawing a conclusion. We also need to remember that a hypothesis is our educated guess, and our data, I know you can't see it, are the pieces of information. So fill that out. We critique our experiment and data by identifying the problems and the successes that we had with our investigation or experiment. Were the results logical? Were they expected to happen? And then please finalize your explanation or your reason calls for an answer. So please fill out, make sure you have all these things filled out on the graphic organizer that I gave you for your notebook. And then you are going to color, so make it pretty. Once you have made it pretty, please take a photo of it in your science notebook and submit it on the classroom. Have a great day.